Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are doing a what's for dinner video, and I also filmed a grocery haul at the beginning of the week so you could see what I bought this week and then what I made out of all of those groceries. So I filmed 5 meals. It's just my husband Matt and I usually cook for us every night. So I filmed 5 of those meals, and I'm gonna give you some summer meal ideas in this video. So if you like these kinds of videos, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys like homemaking content, and let's get straight into the first night. Okay, you guys, let's go through what we got for groceries this week. So the first thing that we got is this teriyaki sauté. It has noodles and vegetables, and I'm gonna defrost some chicken to go in that as well. I got cream as well as milk. That's for a recipe. We don't really drink milk, but anyway. Some oats, we were out. Same with rice, we were out. Cooking spray also, we were out. Beef broth for a recipe that I'm making this week, and tomato sauce for the same recipe. For meat, I just got a thing of ground beef and pork for meatballs, and then chicken wings. We're gonna have those tonight. And then over here, I got some wraps to go with this turkey for lunches. I got a thing of Parmesan cheese. This is like the Italian Parmesan. It's so good, but it's so expensive. It was $22. I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, and then I got spinach dip and some pita chips. That's kind of like a lunch for me. I usually have like maybe like a couple slices of turkey, something like this, and then like some carrots or something like that. That's like a pretty standard lunch for me. And then for snacks, we got these black truffle and Parmesan chips and the peppercini chips. They're both so good. I probably said that wrong. Anyway, also snack, we just got the Cheez-Its, the extra cheesy ones. Matt really likes those. Thing of scalloped potatoes just for a backup side. Sorry, Lola's chewing on her food bag. Hi. Oh my God. Okay. And then I got a watermelon, they were on sale. And then 2 things of sparkling water. We always get lots of these. I got the pineapple bubblies and then the mango LaCroix, Lola's food. And that is everything that we got for groceries this week. Okay, you guys, we just got back from golfing and I'm gonna make some dinner now. So we're having chicken wings and Caesar salad for dinner. So the chicken wings, I dried them all off with paper towel individually so they get nice and crispy. And then I just put salt and pepper on them. I have them on a rack on a baking tray, and I'm going to cook them at the convection roast is the setting that I'm using on my oven. 400 degrees. They're gonna go in for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them and do another 20 minutes, and then I'll show you how I make the Caesar salad as well. Okay, so for the salad, I'm just making a Caesar salad, so romaine lettuce, bacon, Parmesan cheese, and croutons, and then I made my own dressing. I'll put it on the screen as I'm talking here, how to make the dressing. So I'm just gonna toss this and then put the wings, the hot sauce that I'm making. So it's just butter, Frank's Red hot sauce, and a little bit of Valentina hot sauce as well. That little bit of Valentina really like adds another depth of flavor, and it's really good. Chicken wings have a minute left, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot that I was filming this video and I already cooked dinner tonight. But I wanted to show you, I remembered just in time to show you what we were eating. And it's actually okay because none of these recipes are mine. I just got them off of Pinterest. So these are like Amish style barbecue meatballs, Amish style as well, mashed potatoes, and then just some glazed carrots. So I'll put all of the recipes, they're just Pinterest links down below if you guys want to check this out. But yeah, very country style dinner tonight. So sorry I forgot to film me actually making it, but this is what we had tonight. Okay, you guys, the menu for tonight, so we're having some chicken breasts, and then I picked up this teriyaki sauté. So it's a vegetable kit and it has noodles as well in the vegetable kit. So I thought that that looked really interesting. It says that it cooks in 7 minutes. I don't really know how it's made. I haven't read the instructions yet, but I will show you how I cook this up. I think it looks like a good kind of like Asian inspired dinner, and then I'm just gonna put some ginger and those kind of spices on the chicken, put the chicken on top of this, and hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so we've got the veggies going in this pan. The chicken is all seared and ready to go, and then I'm just making a little sauce for the chicken. I'll put on the screen exactly how I'm making the sauce. I found it on Pinterest. But yeah, I just have some garlic cooking in the pan, and then this is the sauce that I'm gonna pour in there. It's all gonna go on the chicken, which is all gonna go in with the veggies. And then this noodle pack looks concerningly small, but I'm hoping it's gonna be good. And this actually just heats up in the microwave, and then we're just gonna toss it all together and plate the chicken on top of the veggies and the noodles. Okay, here's the finished product. So we've got the noodles and the veggies and then the chicken on top that I cooked in that sauce, and this looks really good. Okay, you guys, here is the final dinner of the week. So I made, it's kind of a cross between goulash and like chili mac, I guess. Mostly goulash, but I added some cheese and bacon and some chili powder to it. And then we're just having a side of coleslaw. That's mine. And then here's Matt's. So this is the final night of my week of dinners.